Alright, Brian Poe with Poe Performance, and I am issuing a YouTube 10-shot challenge. On a steel silhouette, I'm going to take a shoot around at 10 yards, 20 yards, 30 yards, 40 yards, and 50 yards, and I'm going to come back. So 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. 10 total rounds. I'm going to do it live and uncut, no cheating. And I'm going to see what kind of responses I get out of you guys. Get yourself out there, stretch your limits a little bit. You know, if you're only used to shooting back at 10 yards, move back to 20, move back to 30. Try it at 40 and 50. Obviously, you don't want to spend hours doing it. It'd be really expensive and a lot of wasted ammo missing a target. But I'm telling you guys, when I started moving back to 30, 40, 50 and shooting some, you know, doing some training back there, my accuracy and trigger control and everything else just got so much better from up close. So I encourage you to stretch yourself. The 10-shot challenge, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. I'm going to give it a shot right now. I'm going to have to turn the camera off because I have to move it. It's plugged in, but trust me when I tell you, there's no cheating going on here or editing or cutting. So I'm going to get the camera moved up by the targets. All right. The steel is right here, right beside us. All right, 2 misses. I missed one at 30, and that is a decent yardage for me. I don't get it. Hey, sorry about that camera cut out. My battery just died. I got home from work today, didn't have a chance to charge it, so I went on a really low charge. So anyway, on that 10-shot challenge, let's see what you can do, guys. I hit 8 out of 10 at an average of 25 yards. Not so bad. Again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and see what you can hit out of 10. Post your results in the comments for me. Here, again, encourage you guys to stretch yourselves. Get out there and do some training and get outside your comfort zone. It's the only way you're going to improve.